He's really slick with that stick. That was a big turnover for the Lightning.
And that's caused all of this time to come off the clock. Tanner Kero traps it. Puts it in the corner for Dowling. Dowling around the boards where it's met by Jason Robertson. And it's lifted down the ice, and that is it. Teams back at even strength, so another big kill for the Lightning. Cernak chips it up ahead. Knocked down and swept back in. Vasilevsky's going to leave it behind the nets for Ryan McDonagh. McDonagh quickly off the ice. That one is sent in. Moved around the boards by Hudobin. He gets it to Alexiak, and Faksa starts up for Dallas. Rolls away from him, then that pass from Foot goes off a skate, and Cogliano's causing problems up there. This line is one line that Rick Bowness does not mix up very often, if at all. And now in behind the play, we got a fight, and that is Braden Point going with Cogliano. Point's giving Cogliano some extra shoves as he knocks him down, and how about that?
At certain points in the season, everybody has their chance to get into a scrap, and look at Braden Point. He is not happy. He was looking like he must have got an elbow or something. He obviously was irate at Cogliano. Two guys you don't see drop the mitts very often, but that'll stir things up. That should get the energy level up. What is he mad about? Oh yeah, he's mad about that elbow. Cogliano came in, and look at that look. Oh, that's a great camera shot there. You want to go? Yep. Cogliano threw one. Landed that on the side of the head, and then Braden Point got him down. But it was that side swipe of the elbow that Cogliano gave to Braden Point that started that one.
Well, he doesn't fight often. It's not his first by any stretch, but you're right, he was hot.
Yeah, and he was ready too. There was some pretty good quickness there. Might have surprised Cogliano a little bit, but you know what? This had become a game of chess.
Tempo, minor for slashing. Both guys 5 minutes for fighting.
Okay, so the Lightning end up with that extra 2 minutes. So the power play for Dallas, but as far as the fight goes and the energy level of this game, you get two guys like that getting into a scrap, we may see things elevate a little bit here.
So John Cooper is going to have to rely upon his